Hello, greetings everyone, and welcome to the Daily Affairs. Here, you will be given all the front page updates quite informatively. So, before we begin, I have a news related fact for all of you. More than 50% of the newspaper audience are digital users. 89 million people read news on their mobile phones. There was a 42% increment in the number of mobile phone users last year. Some of them use a combination of desktop as well as mobile phone to access news. This means that newspaper is also a digital platform. So without any further ado, let's get started with our first news of the day. Aam Aadmi Party backs in principle Uniform Civil Code. Congress and Akalis oppose it. As pitched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in last meeting that Uniform Civil Code is the need of an hour, Aam Aadmi Party supports the motion, stating that Article 44 of the Constitution allows us to implement Uniform Civil Code within the country. While Congress says that this is a tactic of the majoritarian government to divert the attention of population from its failures. Even though Aam Aadmi Party stated that there is a need of consensus and discussions before implementation of Uniform Civil Code, the opposition parties simply opposed the idea of implementation. Shiromani Akali Dal rejected Uniform Civil Code, saying that it would impact minorities. DMK, NCP and IUML also attacked the Prime Minister. According to them, these decisions should not be rushed through. Aam Aadmi Party supports Uniform Civil Code because even Article 44 of the Constitution supports the idea of UCC. But the government should bring in UCC only when there is a consensus among stakeholders. The party's National General Secretary and Rajya Sabha MP Sandeep Pathak stated on the day when Law Commission Chairman Justice Rituraj Avasthi said 8.5 lakh responses have been submitted since the Commission short public consultation on the fraud issue on June 14th. On this topic, Congress functionary election P. Chidambaram stated UCC cannot be forced on people as it would widen division. He claimed that PM was batting it only to divert attention from the government's failures. He accused BJP of a majoritarian government who only supports the majority communities of India. Sensex reaches 64k and Nifty tops 16k rates. A few months ago, there was a chances of a high-class rally in Dalal Street of Mumbai due to aggressive buying of Indian stocks by foreign markets. This was slowed down by various factors such as hawkish statements of US federations, surprise rate hikes by European Central Bank, and indications of an impending economic weakness in China were keeping the Sensex rally fast its 6-month-old life mark on 63,588 points decisively. Finally, on Wednesday, the Sensex crossed the 64k mark in intra-day trade for the first time ever. And thanks to the profit taking it close just a lad lower than those heights at 63,915 points, up 0.8% or 499 points for the day. On the NSE 2, then Nifty recorded the individual mark for the first time to cross the 19k marks. 12 detained from ABVP and NSUI as they were protesting outside Rajasthan University. Students from ABVP and NSUI were detained by Rajasthan police as they were protesting outside Rajasthan University for their demands. This protest began because there was a syndicate meeting going on in Vice Chancellor's Secretariat. Students were not allowed to visit the Vice Chancellor's Secretariat, so they started protesting. Students had certain demands which wanted to be discussed in the syndicate meeting. The syndicate meeting is held every year, but this time it was being held after a year with around 40 major topics to be discussed upon. The student wanted their topics to be put into the limelight. That was the reason why they were peacefully protesting outside the Rajasthan University. ABVP senior leader Bharat Bhushan stated that ABVP has consistently notified the university administration on issues such as fee increment, affordable hostel fees for both male and female students, but the university administration is not listening to us, rather using force. That's it with all the front page affairs. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.